Hey guys, how you doing? Today Eddie and I are chasing mushrooms and we're going to make some Portobello pizza. It's a pizza based in the mushroom. It's so good. You're going to love it. So let Ed and I walk you through it. So what I've got here is some Portobello mushrooms, and I'm just going to kind of gently scrape out the gills. You have to be careful because I've already broken one. After that, I'm going to clean the back sides with a moist paper towel because, you know, sometimes mushrooms can be dirty. You don't want to be eating dirt like this. By the way, what would a mushroom car say? Shroom, shroom. Drizzle it with some olive oil. Alright, our toppings now. Beginning with some pizza sauce. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of swirl this around. Like, you can use tomato sauce, whatever you like, but I like pizza sauce because it is a pizza. Next up, some mozzarella. Of course, some pepperoni. You gotta have pepperoni on pizza. But I mean, you know, you could use ham or something like that. A few red bell peppers. You can use green or, you know, you can use the toppings of your choice. These are my favorites though. And last but not least, some fresh basil. Now we're going to slip these into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, just look at this, guys. It looks and smells fantastic. And there you have it, our Portobello mushroom pizza. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. I just love it. So delicious, healthier than dough. And if you're diet conscious, you're gonna love this. So good. So check out our website on this recipe. Head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff on over there. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.